The internet has become a vast world filled with millions of creators and countless people searching for ways to make money online. Every single day, the number of people chasing these digital opportunities grows, just like gold seekers once did. But here is the golden key. Shutterstock acts as the marketplace where this modern-day rush happens. And it is not just a platform for buyers. It is an incredible chance for you, as contributors, to upload your own videos and images and turn them into real income. Shutterstock is one of the world's largest stock content platforms. It offers millions of photos, videos, illustrations, and even music tracks to buyers all around the globe. For creators like you, it is a gateway to passive income. Once your content is uploaded and approved, every single download generates money for you in US dollars. In other words, you are not only consuming content online, you are becoming a contributor who gets paid for creativity. So, how does one begin earning here? The first and most important step is registering on the right page. If you simply search Shutterstock on Google, you will end up on the customer side, where people only buy content. From there, you cannot earn a single cent. To become a contributor to actually make money, you must sign up through the official contributor registration link. Dear friends, the correct link is placed in the description below this video. Please remember, this is the only way to join Shutterstock as a contributor and start your journey toward real income. After signing up with your email or Google account, you verify your profile, add payment information, and you are ready to upload your first product. You can upload both photos and videos, and the process is very straightforward. In the demonstration shown later in this video, you will see how easy it is to upload a video step by step. Your content does not even need to come from an expensive professional camera. A good smartphone capable of shooting in 2K or 4K resolution is often more than enough to get your videos approved. Even original digital images you create using tools like Photoshop can be uploaded as long as they are fully copyright-free and unique. But remember, Shutterstock is extremely strict when it comes to copyright. Any element containing third-party rights will be rejected. That means no recognizable voices, no copyrighted logos, and no images of people without proper model releases. If uncertain, you can upload your videos without sound to avoid background audio issues. When uploading, you will be asked to write an English description of your content, select categories, and add keywords. This is very important, because keywords are how buyers will find your work. Shutterstock even suggests related keywords to help you. Always ask yourself, would I buy this video or image? If the answer is yes, then chances are others will too. Once your content is approved, it becomes available for millions of customers worldwide. Every time your file is downloaded, Shutterstock pays you in US dollars. The minimum payout is only $25, which you can withdraw through Payoneer, PayPal, or Skrill. Even better, Shutterstock rewards consistency. The more downloads your content gets, the higher your earnings per download become. There are 4 contributor levels, and once your lifetime earnings exceed $500, you automatically move to a higher tier, unlocking better commissions. This means your potential increases as your portfolio grows. So, dear friends, Shutterstock offers you a chance to build true passive income. You upload once, and then your photos and videos can keep selling over and over again, 24/7, across the globe. This is how you earn even while you sleep, with no investment required. Do not forget the lesson of the gold rush. The real fortune belonged to those who sold the tools, not just those who dug for gold. Today, the digital world gives you the same advantage. By selling your stock photos and videos through Shutterstock, you are creating your very own digital gold. The opportunity is right here. And it starts with a simple step. Click the link in the description, sign up as a contributor, and begin your journey today. The sooner you start, the sooner you can turn your creativity into real income.